Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Xcom token. Ticker symbol is X1. Now right off the bat I just want to be clear that this is not actually from Elon Musk or X.com. This is a meme token that someone created paying homage to X.com, which is what crypto tokens do all the time. There's all sorts of SpaceX, Neuralink, Tesla tokens, you name it. They're all named after things. So just to be clear, this is not from Elon Musk or X.com. This is a meme token paying homage. They're getting a brand new central exchange listing starting December 3rd on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on the X.com token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, name of the token, X and then .com. Ticker symbol is X1. This token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting December 3rd, 9 o'clock UTC time on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search X1, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So their official ticker symbol, if you look this token up on DEX Tools or their Etherscan, it says is Xcom, so Xcom. But on Mexc Global, it is listed as ticker symbol X1. So just to clarify that, most likely because they have had a previous token be listed on Mexc Global with the same or similar ticker symbol, Xcom. So they changed it to X1 so people don't get confused with which token. I mean, you could still get confused, but anyways, it's listed as X1 on Mexc Global. Now, this token is on the Ethereum blockchain. Almost 1,000 holders so far, 932 holders, 9 decimal places on this token. And there is a big supply of tokens here. That's a million, billion, trillion, 420 quadrillion tokens. It says, greetings, Earthlings. Prepare yourselves for a cosmic journey into the memeverse with X.com, the interstellar sensation that's here to redefine the way we experience crypto. Now, most likely this is going to be very much just a meme coin. I would bet little to no utility, but we'll go through the info here. So they have a Telegram you could follow, become a member. They have 1,373 members so far. And you can find it at Xcom ETH Moon on Telegram. Now they also have a Twitter and X.com. So you can find them at X_com_XXX. And I'm going to put that up right here. Obviously they don't have a blue verified check mark. Well, as of yet they don't, because this is not X.com's Twitter. It says, riding memes to the stars where infinity meets ingenuity. Then it has the contract address. So before the listing here on Mexc Global, if you did want to get it off of Uniswap, you could by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum, going into the dApps, finding Uniswap, and then trading your Ethereum for the X.com using that contract address right there, or the one that you could find on their Etherscan or their webpage or DEX Tools. Their webpage is xcom.com. 2023.world. So you may have to set slippage. I'm not sure if there's taxes here. We could have a quick look here. It does have. You may need to increase slippage in settings. Make sure to leave a small amount of ETH for network fees. So yes, there is going to be some gas fees on Uniswap, so just be aware of that. They show you step by step how to get this token with a MetaMask wallet and Uniswap on their webpage in case you're confused about what I just said. Just be aware though that you are going to pay some gas fees, and the good thing about Mexc Global is that fees are very minimal on Mexc, and Uniswap, for me, if I use Uniswap, I get failed transactions sometimes. You lose all your gas fees, and that can be super annoying, so just be aware of that. You could lose, $30 in gas fees. Anyways, if you go to this pinned tweet right here on their Twitter, they have a link to Uniswap, Dex Tools, Dex Screener, Aave, Dex View. It's like a whole link tree there, but you can find the similar links on their webpage. If you go over to Xcom 2023.world, you can find the contract address, you can find Uniswap, YouTube channel, Medium articles, Reddit, GitHub, Telegram, Twitter, Etherscan, CoinMarketCap, Aave, Dex Tools, Dex Screener, Dex View. Tons of links on their webpage. So, their mission control, inspired by the legendary metamorphosis of Twitter into the enigmatic X under the helm of the meme maestro himself, Elon Musk. The X.com token emerges as the next frontier in the galaxy of digital currencies. Our mission is to break through the stratosphere of traditional finance and explore the limitless possibilities of the Memecoin universe. Launching beyond limits, Xcom isn't just a token, it's a warp speed leap into the future where memes meet interplanetary finance. With a symbol as iconic as X, we transcend the boundaries of conventionality and embrace the boundless creativity that memes have to offer. Sorry, I can't talk, just woke up here. Coffee's not kicking in yet. Interstellar iconography, I've never even heard that word before. Bid farewell to the little blue bird and say hello to X that echoes across the cosmos. Our symbol represents more than just a coin. It's a symbol of unity, innovation, and infinite potential that lies within the meme community. So embark on a journey down the memery lane. Get it? As Xcom pays homage to the legacy of Musk's X. Whether you're a crypto enthusiast or a seasoned meme collector, our project is a fusion of nostalgia and innovation that resonates with every space-traveling soul. Secure the future. You get the idea. It's very much a meme coin. They go through a whole meme story there that really doesn't explain any utility. But here's the thing. They have a Dex Tools chart, and if you go over to Dex Tools, you can see the security of this token. So you can see that they have $42,000 in locked in Uniswap liquidity, $691,000 market cap, 24-hour trading volume of $41,000. And they have some audits, and if you check the audits, they actually have no warnings on there, so that's great. They have a quick intel, Go Plus security, token sniffer, and happy security audit. None of them have any warnings. It says no buy and sell tax, no honeypot, no proxy contract, no mintable tokens, no blacklist, can't pause transfers, tax is not modifiable. All good check marks all the way down. So that's great to see. So, I mean, that doesn't mean it's 100% safe, so just be aware of that. There's still always potential of, riskiness and rugs and all sorts of things. So just, take everything with a grain of salt. Thoroughly do your own research before investing in anything. I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes in the description box, especially that Mexc Global one where this token will be listed under ticker symbol X1. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.